We start with one of our just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And even if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy, we will take the trade. This is where we could look for buy, and this is what we get. Anyway, for those traders, they get a trade within this move, either move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. And one thing, if because we have been looking for price to break 0.183, as we can see, almost the price tag, and start to I mean, we see their projection, all right. And if we put the stop in relative to the previous one and the indicators, we see we have a divergence. This is where we need to consider whether we should keep the trade or not. That's why we need to move our stop loss to break even and see whether we can see the continuation or not, because we want to see the breakout of the 0.138, and this is what we have been looking for. Because if we move to daily chart, we need to see the breakout of the previous top. If not, then may this one turn to a correction relative to this. Okay, but what we're looking for at this point, we'll still be looking for continuation. And if we move to forward chart, we mentioned if the price breaks 0.183, then the next level at least we're looking for is a 20. All right, and what we can see here, the only thing says we need to see the the confirmation for the breakout of 0.183. If not, we need to be quite careful about this flat. All right, either the price give us one more drop, or this one give us one more drop for one move up. At least we get this one if the price couldn't break, or it turns to a deeper correction. We need to be really careful about this. Mostly if it turns to a deeper correction, it's good for us. We can look for continuation. All right, and how about if we refer to the indicators? Based on forward chart as well, we can see that we have a divergence, and another indicator doesn't have it. Based on a MACD, we see the divergence. That's why if the price didn't move in a few hours, we are not going to keep the trade, or at least move our stop loss to break even. And right now, we need to see the breakout of the stop, which is 0.186. We make it. All right, a bit higher. And whether we are going to look, because if we see, if since the price was from within this move, every time the price broke the previous top, it start to correct. And this is what we get. That means this one is a correct, can be similar to any of this. And if we want to look for the next trade, we can put our entry as a sharp move with the breakout of this top. We move our stop loss to break even or take within the small profit. That means any continuation from here, we following by divergence, we consider as a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. All right, and most important things, we need to see the breakout of the previous top, which where the price right now is, and following, we're looking for the next level at 0.2. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.